Hey class, let's get started here on week 4's homework. Okay, so we have this sporting goods store. We have 4 bikes, and the profits are respectively 40, 28, 25, 21. The retail store has a problem because it's only 500 square feet in its back room, and these bikes, the grown-up bikes, are 2 feet, and the kid bikes are only 1 foot. Therefore, there's 120 hours of assembly time, and the child's bikes need 4 hours of assembly time, and then the open trail needs 5 hours, and the cityscape needs 7. The store would like to place an order for at least 275. Doesn't say that you have to have a minimum quantity, and you don't have to have a maximum quantity, so we are good there. So let's go ahead and look at the Excel sheet that I created. Okay, so here's the Excel document that I created. I put the profits up here, 40, 28, 25, and 21 respectively. Question 1 wanted us to title it box or bike X1, X2, X3, X4. No real reason to do that in there. The time respectfully is 5, 7, 4, and 4. Space is 2, 2, and 1, 1. And then 1 order equals 1. And so we're going to have 1,200 for the time. The space here is, the constraint here is 500, 1,200. And then the order, a maximum, is 275. And we want to maximize our profit. And then here's the cells that we want to change in there. So let's go to our data. Let's go to our solver. We can see here that I have my total profit that I'm changing, F10 for mine. I'm changing these cells here, B10 to E10. I have my constraints here. I have my constraints here of F5 to less than H5, and then I have it here at as well as the H5, F6 and H6. And then here what I did was I said it had to be greater or equal to 275 to allow it to be able to be solved. So go ahead, push solve. You'll get a sensitivity report that will pop up to another problem. And here we see that we have 875. So one of the things that said that if we can increase this on the homework assignment, 120 more feet. So let's just go ahead and do that. I don't think we will because it's already used it. Solve it. Comes up the same. So in question 3, it says, what should we increase? Well, it's probably the time for it to be assembled. So let's just say I hire another employee, which will change the cost, but I'm just proving a point here that we would have a higher amount of money. So here we went from 8,000, now we're up to 1,500, and then we would be able to order more bikes. We would have to change this constraint here, but in there is how we would solve that problem. Problem is that the constraint is 1,200, it's not 2,400. So go ahead and solving that back, and we'll go back to our 8,375. All right, if you have any questions or concerns, please let me know. I'm here to help. I hope everyone has a good week.